this video, we will discuss about the animation for part diagrams in CATIA V5. So now we will start the CATIA software. Here to select the start button, mechanical design, part design. So enter the part name. Okay. So here to select the YZ plane and then to select the sketcher. Here to select the profile tool, to select the circle and draw one circle from origin, and to select the profile, draw some random diagram like this. Okay. So now we will select the operation tool. In operation tool, to select the quick trim. So trim this part. Now we will select the constraint, give the dimensions like this. So 50, 50. Now select this line, press Ctrl, select this line and also this line. So select these three lines and select the constraint. In constraint, to select the symmetry like this, and then to select the constraint from origin to height, give the 130. Now it is fully constrained. Now to select the profile, in profile to select the one rectangle, draw rectangle like this. Now to constrain that rectangle. Okay. So check it will movable or not. So it is movable. Now to select this line and this line, to coincidence both lines, same procedure in opposite direction. Select this line and this line, select the coincidence. Now to select the profile and draw like this. Now select, give the dimensions like this, and now it will fully constrain. Now we will select the constraint. In constraint, to select the animate constraint like this, and to select this angle, it will open like this. Here to select the first value 0, 360 degrees, and number of steps 400. So to select the repeat, run animation. So like this, it will run like this. Give the, so this is the animation for part diagrams in CATIA V5. Thank you for watching and have a great day.